Hi there, welcome to video number 2 now of my nail art channel. Today we're gonna try to do some superhero nails, I guess. My son and I drew these up. So we're gonna start with the Flash. Yeah. This nail's prepped, shaped, and buffed. As mentioned in my last video, I normally would put a base coat and then a matte top gel to do the art over top of. However, because this is just going to be on a press-on nail, I'm not going to waste any products. So I'm just going to go right in with the art. We're going to be using Bioseaweed's Valentine and then N.O.Q number 23. We're just gonna first place some of the gel on this little glass piece here. And then this yellow, you're gonna wanna stir it first. Any gel that's in a pot, you usually wanna stir up before you use it, especially if it's been sitting, and this has been sitting for a long time. Probably since 2015, the year on the back. Okay, so the Flash symbol seems to be pretty easy in regards to shapes. A couple circles and a lightning bolt. We're gonna start with the red. Gonna do the red circle because then the yellow lightning bolt goes over top. Right, do this. And we also want to leave room around the red circle to do a rim of yellow. So don't go right to the edge. Okay, we're just gonna paint it in. And hopefully it's opaque enough that I don't need a second coat. And I think it will be. Let's go more to the edge here. All right, that's gonna cure for, I believe, 60 seconds. Yeah, so, I don't know if you can see that, but 1 minute in an LED. Now, move that out of the way so it doesn't cure. The art brush I'm using, I don't even know if you can see the name anymore. It's an Accents number 2. I definitely need a new one of these. It's my favorite detail brush, but as you can see, the tip is getting a bit frayed on it. I haven't been taking the best of care of it lately. So I will be getting a new one. All right, I think that is opaque enough. It doesn't need another coat. So now what I'm gonna do is the yellow outline of the circle, and then I'll do the lightning bolt. And let's just hope the yellow is also opaque enough where we don't need a second coat. Let's face it, doing a second coat's really annoying, especially when you're doing art. It can get frustrating. Which is also why it's good to invest the money in art gels that are more opaque, just to save yourself the frustration. And the beautiful thing about gel is that it doesn't dry on you until you cure it. So you can basically work with it as much as you want. There's that little nick right there annoying anybody as much as it is annoying me. I'm gonna just wipe it away. Like that. All right, that's gonna cure another 60 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Try to remember to move your gel away from your LED light so it doesn't cure on you. Okay, so now we're gonna try to do the lightning bolt. I had to get more yellow gel because it cured on the plate. And also, another thing to mention is don't put your detail brush in front of your light with the gel on it, because that will also cure. Another reason why this brush is getting destroyed. Okay, so let's try to do the lightning bolt. Now I know it extends a bit past the nail, the circle. My 3-year-old woke up, if you can hear him in the background. Trying to get things done during a nap just never actually works out. Show me your shirt again. My son's wearing the Flash shirt, so I'm trying to copy it. because I am...
And when you're done the flash, want me get my other shirts and you can copy?
Sure. I am no way an artist. I was never in art in school. I was always more of a math, left-brained, I guess. But I'm pretty good at copying. This might not be centered, but it looks good. We're good. Yeah? How's that? All right, we'll just add some more to the shape, thicken it up in spots. Make more of the lightning bolt shape. Go, go. Go.
Ow! Mom, was that funny?
Was that funny?
Yeah, they go down the same now and push.
Oh my god, I'm gonna wreck it. Don't wreck it.
Mom,
Okay. Don't wreck it. Okay.
oh.
Also a lot of holding of the breath. Yeah. Surprised I haven't passed out. Doing a nail design, holding my breath. Okay, I don't like how that is not coming to a tip. I'm gonna try and see if I can, get that. Oh, to come to a tip. Ooh. All right. Let's cure that before I ruin it. 60 seconds. Okay, so before I ruin this design, we're gonna top coat it. We're gonna use Bioseaweed's top coat. Alright, so this is just top coat. We're just gonna paint it over. I might do, I think I'm gonna do 2 layers of top coat. So we'll cure that, and then I'll do a second layer. Okay, I'm gonna do a second coat, just so all the art is smooth on top. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but with that last swipe, there were some bubbles that generated. So you do need to make sure you don't overwork this gel so that you don't create bubbles in it. So now I'm just gonna go and cure that. All right, now this top coat does have a dispersion layer, so we're just gonna wipe that away with some 99% isopropyl alcohol. And then you've got your flash nail. Let's take it off. Oh, there it is. Thanks for watching.